Hi everyone. We're back exactly where we left off from the last episode of Exile. Well, that's specifically what's actually uploading right now. I'm still gonna put a title in there. But we'll be all good. Today, for our second episode, just because, again, kind of lacked up on episodes recently, what we're gonna do is, hold on. Oh, do you guys see that right there? Do you guys see what's missing? Something is missing from the campsites. You guys know what I just realized? Guess what's gone? The targets. My guess is that, oh, and also the railroad got a little bit destroyed too. I'm gonna guess this happened during the time war with Evil Cluck last week. If I had to guess. I'm pretty sure one of the ghasts must have destroyed it during the time war when I was flying all around and they were trying to shoot me down. I'm talking about all the ghasts that Evil Cluck summoned. So yeah. So, we're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix anything that was destroyed last week, so let's get right into it. Oh yeah, we're also gonna need all the pieces that go along with the target. So give me a second. Let's pull out all the pieces we're gonna need. We're just gonna need these. That's really all we're gonna need, actually. See? Not as bad. We could just fix that target up just like that. See? All done. Now, we aren't done yet. Yep, it feels nice to have that back again. That's what it's supposed to be like. Now, the other thing we have to fix from that stupid time warp is the railroad. And this is the only part that's been taken apart. We just gotta fix the rail right here. And yeah, all done. Again. Yeah, it's good, because this is what the railroad looked like. So, yeah, that's still cool. Yeah, let's go to the end dimension again. Oh my god, it just ran over. Oh my god. What? What? What is going on? What is going on? I don't own these guys. Get out of here. I don't have those guys. Now get out of here. Look at all the mobs that came here. You know what? I think I have an idea. Let's actually do something a little fun classic. We're gonna do something. No, we're not gonna blow anything up. Or are we? Remember when I did this? Yeah. This is where the Endermen truly belong. I kind of want to go explore that end city again. Yeah! Now, where is that stupid end city again? Ah, there it is. There's the end city. Yep, there it is. Where's the end boat? There's the boat. Oh yeah, this is also back when Evil Cluck took over the end. I forgot those were there. Actually, I realized that was 6 months ago today. 6 months ago today that happened. Those lines have been there for exactly 6 months. It was about time I removed them. The point being that this is all still here. Wait, why is the anvil still here after like 6 months? Oh yeah, this is also here still. Yeah, let's fix anything I did destroy back then. Oh, this is so cool. Actually, I forgot what this all looked like, and yep, there's the elytra. I'll grab an extra one just in case. Anyway, let's just get out of this random ship. Let's head back over to the end city. Woo! Yeah, this was a fun place back then. Anyway, let's just go. Let's get out of here, honestly. I'm bored. Now, where's our stupid end thing? To send us back. Where's our stupid end thing to send us back? I honestly don't know. Oh, there it is. Wow. Just wow. Bye-bye. There we go. Sent right back. Now let's get out of here. Now I'm bored. Wait! We need to take one of these. There we go. Yep, there we go. See? We're all good, and now we have a dragon egg. Wherever that went. Well, I guess I can keep this in my collection forever. Actually, let's go put this in an item frame so I never, ever remember, so I always remember it. Oh yeah, that's how one of these look. Where the heck are we gonna put this? What kind of item frame are we gonna put this in? Well, we need a special one. Actually, let's go put it in the waterfall. Oh yeah, we're gonna need night vision for this. Oh, I also forgot to label when we originally got this. Oh, and also we are gonna need the milk. There we go. That's much better. Let's actually go put this dragon egg somewhere. I guess right there, it will stay there, so I always remember it. And then, of course, we just grab milk just to put our way back here. Actually, let's actually label down when we actually did get these. Yep, you're only able to have night vision in this room, at least right now, because during the eclipse, you'll actually need it, because it looks cooler that way. Things look much cooler with night vision on. Actually, speaking of which, let's actually get a little bit of a sneak peek for the island eclipse, actually. Give a little bit of a sneak peek of the island eclipse, since that's in literally like 2 days. Almost 1. How long until this is done? 24 minutes, that's not bad. Hold on. We do Moody or whatever. Let's go to midnight with this, just to prove to you how cool this looks. Let's do time set midnight. Now how freaking cool will it look during the island eclipse? Wait, how does it look without it? Much better! Okay, no night vision required. Yep, no night vision required. Although it does look cool with night vision. It looks so cool with night vision, but honestly, I honestly like it without it. Yeah, this looks much better. It looks more like an eclipse. Kind of feels like we're inside the dome again, but nope. Oh, also, let's light this up again. There we go. Yeah, it feels like we're inside that dome again, but in reality, no. And that's your sneak peek. Let's turn off this and go right back to normal brightness. There we go. See? Everything's bright again. But yep, that's your sneak peek for the island eclipse on October 8th. The island will be that dark. Back into the waterfall! Hooray! Although that night sky will still be used for Christmas, obviously, because I love it. And the same will go for the lab and creations world. Speaking of the lab, I still have to show you the western party before the 8th, or even on the 8th. Alright, let's go to... let's go to the signs here. Hold on, let's find some. Wait, what was this again? That's exactly when. Yeah. Okay. Next. I don't know if I spelt that right. I think it was. I think it was this. No, sorry. 2019. There we go. Wait. Hold on a second. What was this again? Okay. Wait, I want to know. I think it was also the same day. Of course I forgot the T in strength. God dang it. There, much better. Now let's finish this. Wait a minute. I used fire resistant. This is all wrong. I used fire resistance before those. There's something I did wrong here? Guys, I may have labeled it wrong. Sorry about that. Let's redo that. Yeah, I used fire resistance next. Yeah, because I was at the Lava Tomb logo last year. That's why. I thought that wasn't gonna fit there. Wait a minute. Hold up just one freaking second. Just one freaking second. Okay, I thought my channel wasn't loading. I think we did use it.
God, it was here all along! For almost...
Dang it. Yeah, we did use fire resistance. Yeah, let me just... Yeah, we did use. Yeah, this was yeah, January 29th, 2019 is the first time we used it. See? There we go. Is that the strength potion? Good. Now, let's actually do it this time. Alright, yeah, I think it was literally the same day as the strength potion. So let's put resistance. Oh god dang it, I did it the wrong way. Now hold up, I kind of forgot which episode did we first use slow falling in. What about these other potions? I do know it was this year, definitely this year. Yeah, I definitely know it was definitely 100% this year. Is that speed 2? Yeah, that's speed 2. I do know the first time we used it. It was September 7th this year. And this was the same day. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Complete. Wait, is that jump boost too? Yep, it is jump boost 2 indeed. Yeah. I know it was during the Operation Meltdown mission. One of the Operation Meltdown missions. Which one was the first one to require jump boost? No. The slow fall. What the heck? Okay, we're gonna have to go all the way down to the Lego Island playlist. I know it hasn't been updated recently. That's about to change. It was definitely one of the Operation Meltdown missions. Which one? Guys, before we start today's episode... Alright, I think this was the slow falling one. I think this was indeed slow falling. What the heck? Look at this. See, it's snowing and raining at the same time. Yeah, that's slow falling. Is that indeed slow falling? Let's see. You know, we're actually going to do that, like, right now. Let me take off the shoes. And we're going to enchant them with Frostwalker. Nope, I think that was the next mission. Wait a second. Let's go back down to that room. Was slow falling indeed in this? What? Wait a minute. What? Oh, one of the items are gone. Okay. I think it's in the next mission that we did it. Yeah, because this one was all about ice. I think this one was the, I think this was the slow falling one. Please tell me this was slow falling. Yep, that was slow falling, baby. Woo! Okay, February 2nd, 2020. And I think we're actually done with the room. Because there's none left. It's so cool how this place is not even that far away from the event room. Alright, February 2nd. Well, a lot of these were used this year. A lot was used this year. And that is it, guys. We did it. All of them. Yep. So yep, we have now updated every single one of them. So yep, this is an evolution between all the potions. I think night vision has been used the most. I think regen actually. This is only used every March. Look at how many things were used. I think that was like 3 potions in 1 year. 2 potions in 2018, 1 potion in 2017. And 3 potions so far in 2020. I think these are going to be the last 3, though. So of course, we'll have to start expanding this room with more potions. Yeah, we did a lot with this room. Oh, and actually, you can actually turn on all the potions from this room, actually. Yep, you can indeed turn on all the potions with this room. Wait a second, you know what I'm realizing? I'm breaking the rule of this room! You're supposed to have night vision on. Yep, I was literally breaking the rule of the room. Because it's literally... The reason why this night vision sign is here is because it is required. Yep, you can even, like, access all the other potions. For example, let's go with... Actually, let's combine every single potion. Let's actually combine literally every single potion. Yeah, let's do every single... What? Oh, okay. I thought something changed. Yeah! Oh. Yeah! All of them at once! That's epic. There we go. Look at that. The rest of them, though, all combined. Oh, that'd be epic. Actually, let's turn on resistance itself. Since we don't have the effect right now. There we go. See? All effects. That's what we call the potion room. Yep, this be the potion room, guys. I have officially declared that it is called the potion room. You can access all the potions we have accessed on Legos. Oh my god, this is fast. Forgot how fast this is. Oh, right, the speed's gone. But yep, look at this. Every potion we have seen in Legos Island is right here in this room. And I know I already made the room a few weeks ago. That's besides the point. We can actually get out of here now. So, yep, turn off night vision and go right back outside. But yeah, guys, that is it for the second episode of the day. Like and subscribe. And there will be 2 episodes again tomorrow to make up for lack of episodes once more. Actually, the one that's technically uploading right here would be October 1st. This would be October 3rd. And then October 5th episode would be tomorrow. And then we would also do another one for October 7th. And then we'll be back on track. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow for 2 Legos Island episodes. Backyard VO. Sleepier Times 176 alongside part 7 of the fair. And finally, because it'll be Wednesday, an update video. Oh, and one more thing before I go, I should mention this icon is going away tomorrow all the way until November 1st. So, this is the last time you'll be seeing this icon until November 1st. In fact, actually, this banner is also going away for, fun fact, the rest of the year starting tomorrow. So, yep, the next time this banner will be seen after today will be January 5th, 2021. So, yep, that's just another thing you should be note of. I guess we'll close that. So, thank you so much for watching that. I'll see you all tomorrow for those 5 videos. And with all that being said, goodbye, guys. I'm glad we got that potions room done. Because now we can do whatever we want. Woo! That's awesome.